Hello, and welcome to Machine Nature. Today, we're diving into the real dangers lurking in the world of tree cutting. Accidents can turn into unforgettable stories with just a moment of carelessness. Let's take a look at incidents that teach us valuable lessons and leave us in awe. If you're ready, let's face the power of nature together.
Oh my God.
During a tree cutting operation, dangerous situations can arise if careful planning is not carried out. One such incident involved Bobcat S530 and GEL 4640 construction machines. During the operation, the machine's bucket was used to control the direction in which the tree would fall. The cutting team leaned the bucket against the tree, aiming to direct it to the desired side. However, if this technique is not properly executed, or factors like the tree's natural tilt and wind are ignored, the plan can go wrong. In a tree cutting operation, various methods can be used to control the direction in which the tree will fall. However, when these methods are improperly applied, unexpected outcomes may occur. In one such incident, the team tied the tree to a nearby truck, using a rope before starting the cutting process. The goal was to control the tree's fall direction by pulling it with the truck and ensuring it would safely land in the desired location. As the cutting began, the truck attempted to pull the tree. However, factors such as the tree's natural tilt, center of gravity, and environmental conditions, for example, wind or errors in the cutting angle, were not adequately considered.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, this is really crazy. What would you do if you were sitting in your house and suddenly the ceiling fell on top of you? This bulldozer breaks the tree trunk with its rear blade, and watching this is amazing. The person cutting this tree is a true master. He adjusts it in such a way that the tree cannot possibly damage the house. This person is making a very dangerous mistake due to their inexperience with tree cutting. Tree cutting is a task that requires careful and correct execution because the direction in which the tree falls and the cutting technique are critical for safety. This individual is leaning the ladder against the very spot where they plan to cut the tree, creating a significant risk. This could lead to instability of the ladder, or the tree could shift unexpectedly, posing a danger. When cutting a tree, there's always the possibility that the tree might move or fall in an unpredictable direction. In this case, the tree could fall onto the ladder, or the person could lose their balance. This kind of situation can lead to serious injuries or even fatal accidents. Once again, an unconscious tree cutter. This person places the ladder exactly where he's cutting the tree. What he doesn't realize is that when he cuts the tree, it will fall onto the ladder. The K700 is trying to pull a tree out by the roots with a chain. It's struggling a bit, but it looks like it will succeed. In 2016, an incident occurred in Washington state when a tree fell onto a house during a cutting operation. The tree was being felled by a team that likely had planned the direction in which it would fall, but something went wrong during the process. As the tree was being cut, it either shifted unexpectedly or the cutting team miscalculated the angle and direction of the fall. The tree ended up falling on top of the house, causing significant damage to the structure. This type of incident highlights the risks involved in tree cutting, as even when precautions are taken, factors like wind, the tree's lean, or misjudgments in cutting can lead to dangerous outcomes. In 2011, in Birmingham, Alabama, a crane operator was attempting to lift and relocate a massive 2,000-pound tree during a landscaping or removal operation, and the situation went terribly wrong. The crane lost control of the load, and the enormous tree crashed directly onto a nearby house, severely damaging the roof and upper structure, leaving the homeowners with significant losses and disarray. The incident raised concerns about whether the cause was human error, such as improper handling or miscalculation of the tree's weight, or mechanical failure in the crane itself, highlighting the risks involved in heavy lifting operations. Despite the extensive damage to the property, reports indicated that no injuries occurred, but the event underscored the importance of safety measures, proper equipment maintenance, and professional training in such high-risk tasks. I'll never forget May 21st, 2022, when that derecho storm hit Ottawa. It came out of nowhere, and the winds were absolutely insane, sounded like a freight train barreling through. I was looking out the window when I saw this massive tree in the neighbor's yard. It was swaying like crazy, and within seconds, it just snapped right in half like a toothpick. The crash was so loud it shook the ground, and I remember thinking, man, this is serious. Branches were flying everywhere. Power lines were down, and the whole street looked like a war zone. I'd never seen anything like it. We were without power for days, but honestly, I'm just grateful no one got hurt. That storm left a mark on all of us, both on the city and in our minds. A botched tree cutting job. The person placed a ladder in the likely drop zone of the branch they were cutting. Let's watch what happens next. Windwurfelfarbieten MIT Still MS 462 refers to the process of clearing fallen trees after strong winds or storms, using the Stihl MS-462 chainsaw. Wind throw, caused by severe winds, leads to trees being uprooted or large branches being broken and falling to the ground, causing chaos and sometimes dangerous situations in forests. Fallen trees are often tangled, precariously leaning against other trees, or have fallen in difficult-to-reach spots, making the cutting process both challenging and hazardous. The Stihl MS-462 chainsaw is an ideal tool for this task, known for its powerful engine, lightweight design, and ergonomic features. Its high torque and low fuel consumption make it efficient for prolonged work, providing great advantages for tasks like forest cleanup. However, wind throw clearing requires not only a powerful chainsaw, but also experience and careful handling. Fallen trees are often under tension, meaning cuts can result in sudden movement or bouncing, so it is essential to approach the task cautiously, ensuring proper cutting angles and maintaining a safe work area. Additionally, using the correct protective equipment is crucial for safety. Before starting, the condition of the trees, their relationship with other trees, and potential hazards should be carefully assessed. This type of work is typically done by a team, as large and dangerous trees are difficult to manage alone, and coordinated teamwork is needed. The Stihl MS-462 chainsaw allows professional foresters to carry out these hazardous and demanding tasks more safely and efficiently. Here's another classic mistake: cutting the tree from the direction it is likely to fall.
Oh! Holy shit! Oh shit! Are you okay? Yeah. Did you No.
The tree accidentally falls onto itself. Let's watch it together. During a storm, this tree fell on a steep hill, creating a dangerous situation. The main concern was that the stump, due to its position, was likely to fall back downhill once cut. To prevent further risk, we decided to slide another log underneath the tree before making the cut. After carefully cutting through the tree, it only took a small bump with the skid steer to separate the stump and move it safely away. This careful approach ensured that the tree and stump could be cleared without any accidents or further complications. Another tree cutting operation has failed. So what was the reason?
Well, the big chainsaw, it froze up.
Oh my God, another tree cutting operation is ending badly. I think these people need to leave this work to professionals, or they'll lose all their assets.
And it's going the wrong way! Oh my gosh! Well, I don't think I got that, but that was not good at all. We just took out half the house. Well.
On April 17, 2014, in Nelson, New Zealand, during an exceptionally strong windstorm, a a tree on Collingwood Street fell down. The person filming the event happened to be recording at the time and captured the moment when the tallest tree in the neighborhood was uprooted by the fierce winds. As the tree came down, the filmer unintentionally provided some narration, commenting on the situation, though they later apologized for it. The footage showcases the incredible power of the storm and the dramatic moment when the massive tree fell, which likely caused significant damage to the surrounding area. In 2014, plans to expand the Surfside Christian Fellowship Church in Muizenberg, South Africa, came to an abrupt halt when a large palm tree fell onto the building. The tree, likely uprooted by strong winds or other environmental factors, crashed down on the church's roof, causing significant damage to the structure. This unexpected event derailed the church's expansion project, as repairs would be necessary before any further construction could take place. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the damage was substantial enough to delay the plans for the church's growth. The incident was an unfortunate setback for the church community, who had been eager to move forward with their expansion efforts.
No kidding. No way. Here it is.